Christmas came early and I was just in Sephora today and I spotted this beautiful gift set from Sol de Janeiro. This looks like such a great box, but let's go ahead and unbox it together. I did purchase this for $68 and it is a $112 value. So let's go ahead and see what's inside. I was actually just going to purchase the one spray for $62 and then I saw this box. Wow. So I thought maybe they're going to be really small, but actually look at how big. These are pretty much almost full-size products. So this is definitely a full-size product here. The Boom Boom Cream also looks pretty full-size. So let's go through it and see what came here. It seems to be this would be a great gift if you have someone in your life that loves skincare and maybe you already know that they love Sol de Janeiro, then this would definitely be a great gift to pick up. I know I would love this if I had gotten this as a gift. So I actually told my husband he could keep it for Christmas, but he wanted to give it to me now. So I'm unboxing it today, but I will have it linked down below. But look at this. First up is the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Play Body Wash. So I've never tried this before, I don't think, but let's see. I'm sure it has that delicious Sol de Janeiro scent. It is a pretty good sized bottle. Let me go ahead and take, yes, it smells creamy. It's delicious. It's warm. Because at first I was thinking, is this really a good scent for the holidays, for the cold weather months? But this is so creamy and so warm that actually it is a great scent, I think, for the colder months, because it's just going to make you feel so cozy and just so good. So this is definitely a very nice size. I believe you could get quite a few showers out of this. So then here is the oil. Now I did purchase a full size of this firming oil. This is the Boom Boom Body Formica oil. Now this oil, this is very small size, but this will make a good, this will last me personally for about 3 to 4 showers maybe, or maybe 2 actually, because I like to put this all over. It really is firming. It feels incredible, has the same incredibly delicious scent as these other products here. So if you wanted to invest in the full size someday, or if you have it already, or if you're thinking about it, or if you're like me, I was on a weight loss journey. I lost about at least 50 pounds. So I really wanted to help firm up my skin, and this really does help a lot. And it does make your skin feel so much more supple, juicy. It does take away dryness. So this is actually great for the winter months because, if you're like me in the winter, my skin gets very dry. So this will definitely help to alleviate the dry skin. And here's another product in here. Let's take a look at this one. This is another one I've never tried before. This is the Boom Boom Body Scrub. And it says it gently exfoliates and smooths your skin. It does have that 62 fragrance, and it's a caffeine-rich extract in here. It does have this nice kind of grippy material to this grippy pattern to the packaging, so this way you won't it does feel good, but also probably would help you to not drop this in the shower. It's easier to open because you're kind of able to get a good grip on the bottle, so you could really open it well. So here it is. Let's go ahead and see. Oh, that's beautiful. Are you like me? But I love when the body scrubs are kind of thicker in texture. Some of them are very oily, but this definitely has a thickness to it. So that's really nice. You're not going to waste any product, because some of these scrubs, it's just a lot of oil, and then, you get a lot of product gets lost. But here you're getting everything in the product. It's not going to get lost. So this is very gritty, but it feels so good. So as you can see, it is not too oily. It smells delicious. It's very much, to me, of course, it's a warm scent. It's creamy. It's comforting. It's just so soothing. And it does have a little bit, not too much. So this probably isn't going to make it the shower, if your shower, it's not going to make it too slippery. Some of these body scrubs make my shower too slippery on the floor. And then, my other family member, my husband doesn't like that because he will slip. But this is not, so I don't think it'll leave your shower too full of oil like other body scrubs sometimes will do. So that is amazing. Now here is, this looks like a full size of the Boom Boom Cream. So it says it visibly firms, tightens, it's fast absorbing. I've used many of these, so I can totally say that that is true. This is so incredible. A little bit does go a long way. So you'd be surprised at how long this would last you. You know, I don't even, okay, I'll just take, you only need a small amount and it really covers a large portion of your body because it's very, you know, it's not too thick. So it really does spread out beautifully over your skin. So you can cover a large, see, I could even keep going and put it all the way probably up to my elbow with just that little bit that I just took out. So it feels so good. It's not sticky whatsoever. That's what makes this cream, besides the scent is so delicious, but it's so non-sticky whatsoever. It makes your skin feel incredible. And I personally don't like to use a lot of lotions because they just make me feel sticky and gross, but this does not. I have to tell you, this is incredible also on your feet. If you like to put lotion on your feet or if you get dry, cracked feet, this really takes away any dryness, any rough spots on your feet, and it lasts for at least 3 days. So you wouldn't even have to use this every night. The effects last that long. I've seen where this lasts me, again, like 3 days before I have to reapply it. My skin stays, so even though I take showers, my skin stays so soft between uses. And a lot of times my cuticles get dry and cracked, and this takes away the cracked, dry cuticles. I mean, this is just outrageously amazing. Plus, it does smell incredible. So, you know, there's nothing really like the scent of the Sol de Janeiro. And this one does come with the 62 fragrance. And I mean, this is just incredible. I mean, if you're like me, I know my husband loves this scent. When you put this on, really, you become pretty much irresistible to others. So you really just like can't believe it. And it does mix so beautifully with other fragrances. Like I've been mixing this with everything under the sun. Louis Vuitton, my Louis Vuitton fragrances, Chanel fragrances. I mean, because some of those are very rich. And then if you mix in a spray like this, it just adds a lightness, it adds a sexiness, it adds a beautiful vanilla and a creaminess to your to whatever fragrance you put on after it. So I love even to pair this. I just got the Louboutin fragrance. This smells so good with the Louboutin. This smells so good with everything. It makes a delicious base for your other fragrances. Even an oud, since it's the winter, if you like me, I wear oud in the winter. If you mix this in with, you know, even a Dior perfume, you know how these luxury perfumes are very heavy and rich. But this just brings such a deliciousness, and the vanilla in here is just incredible. So yes, it smells so good. It's really, really so special. So I know, you know, everybody, a lot of times you go into store and everything Sol de Janeiro is sold out. So I would hurry up and get this. If you know somebody, especially if you're shopping for a teenager, teenagers love this. I think an older woman would love it too, but I think the teenagers are obsessed with this. When you go in the store, you see a line of teenagers trying to spray themselves with this. So, I mean, if you didn't, or you know, if you couldn't get this, this is also just such a beautiful packaging, isn't it? The box is so beautiful. But if you couldn't get this, I know that tonight I was in Sephora and there was a woman came in and she wanted to buy something for her niece that she said is about 13 years old. I would get them one of these because I know that I see the teens obsessed with Sol de Janeiro, especially the body sprays. And, you know, I would say 20s too. You'll see a lot of the girls 20s, you know, these young girls, they want this so bad. And I saw one girl was so sad she wanted it and then she couldn't afford it. When she brought it up to the register, she didn't have enough. I wanted to like give it to her, but then I didn't want to embarrass her. I didn't know her, but it was like, she was only a few dollars short. It's so sad, but you know, that's why you should really be grateful if you can afford these things. So many girls want these and they cannot get them. So this would be a great gift to gift if you could just get this alone for a holiday gift. I think somebody, if you have a niece or a daughter or somebody, you know, younger in your life, definitely they would love the set. But if you could just get this one thing, just the body spray, definitely would get this for them. So I just wanted to share this with you beauties today. I think this is an amazing gift set. I'm so happy. Again, I told my husband to save it but for Christmas, but he wanted to give it to me now. So I'm gonna do like a whole at-home spa. I'm gonna go take a shower, do the scrub, do the body wash, do the lotion, do the oil. I'm gonna do everything, have my own little at-home spa night. And so I cannot wait to put this on. Again, this, in case you're not familiar, this is a kind of salted caramel vanilla scent, warm, delicious kind of scent. So if you know someone that likes those scents, then I think they would absolutely love this. So vanilla, caramel, it's creamy, beautiful, warm, just all kinds of deliciousness. So anyway, I just wanted to share that with you tonight. Let me know if you would pick this up yourself. I will have it linked down below. Hopefully they still have it available. This is the Sol de Janeiro Hydration Celebration Body Routine Set. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys are all doing good. And let me know how your holiday season is going. And I'll see you very soon. Bye.